So let's start. On our template of our letter, all you need to do is to type the following. This is a sample of certification letter. So we have the following names and average. These are the list of names and average. Next is to click Start Mail Merge and click Letters. After the letters, we are going to click Select Recipient and use Existing List. Choose the Excel file, then open. Click the sheet and OK. Click Insert Mail Merge. So all you need to do is to highlight the name, insert Mail Merge, then click Name. This one is average. Highlight the average, insert Mail Merge, click the average. Click Preview Result. Last step, click Finish and Merge and then edit individual documents. All and OK.